your name, please?
My name is Orlando Walters.
Again.
Orlando Walters.
And your complaint is?
My complaint is that from the moment Miss Hamilton on nomination day make the police and the force and the security force in entirety to make a plea unto them about the violence that usually cropped up in central Kingston when it coming down to the closing of an election day. All right, then the PMP go back and they try to make a kickback where I think it was their president on radio, and it's not me heard it, saying that people come out on the candidate that they have. The candidate they have is born and grown in Central Kingston, in the Rae Town Division. Anybody who came out on him, he must have been know them. I'd have known where they came out on him hot. But the thing I'm getting to you now is that they are saying no gathering in the south side part of the community. And no music, no sound. But when you come to the spoilers part of the community, you hear sound string up and Tel Aviv, you hear sound string up and music playing. So I am saying, I think what is good for the goose is good for the gander, and that is the only complaint I have. So I come and I make myself aware because I hear it right by the polling station. It is not even 100 feet from the Calabar polling station. Music string up by the PMP and playing music. And you want to tell me the inspector and all these police that are around there don't see nothing like that? Thank you very much, sir.